Good morning. Talking to you from Dunlap, California, where we are downwind from the Yosemite fire, and the smoke is getting to be overwhelming. So I thought I'd put this post online to show you how to make a HEPA filter for your house or home so that you can breathe clean air. See, here we are at Dunlap, and you can see the smoke in the sky and the orange colored sun. So basically what I use is these 20-inch box fans. This kind is ideal. It has the cord down at the bottom of the fan box, and it has the speed control on the front. This kind will work, but the cord has to come through the filter and the speed control's underneath, so you can't adjust the speed without taking off the filter and disturbing the dust out of the filter. It'll work. You just have to set one speed and leave it there, turn it off by unplugging it. Here's an example of a filter that I used for a few days. You can see it's brown as compared to this nice new white one. And to attach it to the box, very simply a matter of pulling the cord out of the way, taking a tape. This is Gorilla tape, and it works good. Regular box tape will work. First aid tape would work. It's not particular because it's the vacuum of the fan helps hold the filter on. So there, I taped it on, and now it's ready to go. Just plug it in. It will suck air through the filter. Set it up in your house to run continuously, and in a couple days it will take this much stuff out of the air. There is a sweet spot where the filter is partially plugged up, and it will actually become more efficient because since it's partially plugged up, it will be filtering finer particles out of the air. One final note, if you can find a filter 20 by 20 that says it's a HEPA filter, it'll probably be in the $20 to $30 range. That would be better. Spend the money if you got it. And I hope this helps you breathe easier. Have a great day.